Hi team, good afternoon. My name is Anand, as you all know. I am a mid-level professional who has over 7 years of experience, and my last job was with Amazon. And today I'm here to talk about my experience with Digital Ready. And so let me start with why I am here and what exactly brought me here. So I've been in an industry which was dealing with clients, and I had regular interaction with clients, and it was all about getting businesses and managing clients and to promote yourself online. So that actually brought my attention towards the digital marketing process, and I read a lot about it. And I do find that digital marketing is something which actually could create a lot of impact for many businesses which are still not utilizing it. And a lot of the industries, the MNCs, have a lot of scope, and I see a lot of growth opportunities. That's one of the reasons. Other reasons being I was associated with the BPM processes for a long time. So this essentially is a career move, mid-career move to make a career change. So it's a risk and a challenge for me, and I'm very thankful that I got into a right place. The reason I call it a right place is because of the content. I find that the content here is much more detailed than what I have seen over the net. The second reason I like this place is because the classes are very interactive. They are not a one-way stream, as people say. It's all about interacting. We get a chance to speak, and these are the classes. Unlike other classes, it's 80% practical and just about 20% theory. So which actually keeps the classes very interesting. And plus, being a regular course for 1 month is a plus point, because especially for professionals like me who cannot afford to stay out of job, this is actually a wonderful place to be. And obviously the credit also goes to our batchmates. Although I am a little more experienced than everyone here, but I see that people at a very lesser age have achieved a lot. For example, people studying in premier institutes, people being entrepreneurs, people already studying by themselves. So it's a learning for me too, by looking at the people. And we are halfway through in the course. We have learnt about SEO optimization, and we learnt about content writing advertisements, and right now we are doing Google AdWords. So at this point, till this point, it has been very exciting. I feel very confident about my new job prospects. So I am looking forward to the next half, starting Monday. Thank you.